Meet AirSelfie 2, the first HD pocket-sized flying camera ever created. So thin and light, you can use it everywhere you go. Enhance your phone with the ultimate photo and video accessory. Taking selfies becomes easier and even funnier. So revolutionary that adapts to every lifestyle. Share images on your social media has never been so quickly through the easy-to-use app. Advanced technologies and high-quality components embedded into a ultra-durable case. Create amazing memories of your best moments with AirSelfie 2. Its anti-vibration and in-flight stability systems always guarantee great video and photos. Available in 4 different colors to suit your personality.
Introducing B. B is pioneering a whole new category of toothbrush that has the performance of an electric toothbrush, combined with all of the benefits of a manual toothbrush. Imagine never having to deal with charging, messy cables, adapters and batteries, but still get that diamond clean that you and your dentist have grown to love. Today, people are carrying around more electronic devices than ever before in history, and unfortunately, these devices come with enormous baggage. Did you know that 15 billion batteries are sold every year and that 87% end up in landfills, 12% get incinerated, and only 1% of them actually get recycled? A good majority of these batteries go into items for personal care, and 7.3 billion people generate a lot of waste. So we started to ask ourselves, is there another way? 2.5 years later, we can finally say there is. Our patented B-Clean technology makes it possible to transform the energy from a simple twist into over 80,000 tartar-fighting brushstrokes. No batteries, cables, adapters, or chargers are required. If you love to travel, enjoy the great outdoors, always on the go for business, or want to make your home more eco-friendly, look no further. This toothbrush was made just for you. B empowers you to enjoy the best dental hygiene no matter where you are in the world, regardless of a grid. Our mission is to deliver a toothbrush equivalent or better than your electric toothbrush, and free you from needing electricity, batteries, cables, or adapters when it comes to your dental routine. Plus, every B comes with a snap-on travel case to keep your brush safe and clean. It also comes with a 1-year supply of 100% biodegradable refills. It has taken the past 2.5 years and dozens of prototypes along the way to develop our patented B-Clean technology. We've pushed the boundaries to bring you a breakthrough in powered sustainable brushing, and now we need your help to make this technology a reality. This is your chance to go beyond electric and pledge for an opportunity to be among the first to experience.
I'm just a guy standing in front of you, asking you, have you seen my keys? No? And you never will. With Kiwi, your lock opens with a simple passcode. No key needed. Store up to 20 different passcodes depending on your needs. And Kiwi is also Bluetooth operated. It uses low-power Bluetooth to automatically unlock when you approach. And then relock after you've entered. Here's the problem, you might say. What if the power goes out? How will I get inside? Kiwi Smart Lock also comes with a physical key for emergencies and millennial nostalgia. And your doors are protected by ANSI Grade 2 deadbolts, keeping out unwanted guests during a blackout, even during the purge. And Kiwi keeps a record of everyone who's entered my home, sending push alarms to my cell whenever someone opens my door. Perfect for going out of town. But what will that mean for my guests? This is Tim. Right now, he's at my office, even though I'm not. Since I can control multiple Kiwi locks with a fabulous app, I can let Tim into my office from home. I can also send Tim a one-time passcode, so he can let himself in.
What about long-term guests?
Long-term guests are easy with the Kiwi Guest Fee. I can schedule an event so that my friends have free access during their stay. My guests can let themselves in, and the key expires after their stay, making it perfect for Airbnb. When I say that Kiwi is smart, I mean it. Kiwi connects to your other smart appliances and services because it's compatible with Z-Wave. This means that Kiwi connects to home hubs like Alexa and Google Home. Let's say that my friend Tim forgets to lock the door after he leaves. I'll get an alert from my hub and lock my door remotely with the app. Kiwi can be the first appliance to alert your hub at your home. But what if you don't have a hub yet? Then use Wi-Fi to connect your phone to Kiwi. Whichever and whatever way you need Kiwi.
Eat only raw food.
Nothing but plant-based.
Eat high fat.
Eat low fat.
No carbs.
Take a deep breath and hold it. Right now, you hold in your lungs the secret to sustainable weight loss. You could breathe out now. This is Lumen, the first device for hacking your metabolism. With just one breath, Lumen tells you what you're currently burning for energy, carbs, or body fat. So you can see what's going on with your metabolism in real time and what to do about it. Breathe in the morning to get a personalized nutrition plan for the day. One that's based on your personal goals and adaptable to your eating habits. Breathe before a meal to see how the last one affected you and get recommendations to keep your body on track. Breathe to see if you have enough energy for your workout or if you should fuel up. Lumen doesn't just tell you what to do. It gives you the whys behind it all. Why your weight might be fluctuating, why you feel low on energy, why your body is storing carbs. Because the truth is, you have a different metabolism than me, than him, than her. Which is why Lumen is more than a diet. It's nutrition designed for you. And all you have to do is breathe. Sound like magic? It's actually science. The concentration of the various gases in your breath tells us what your cells are burning for fuel. Like CO2. Burning fuel from carbs releases more CO2 than burning body fat. Well, this science isn't new. It's been helping world-class athletes reach peak levels of fitness for years.
What we think we're doing and what's actually happening in our bodies can be very different things. Lumen is like a tool for actually giving you that ability to understand and sense what's going on in your body. That's like a superpower.
Anyway, Lumen measures your breath, does some math, and sends expert advice straight to your smartphone. Lumen is your lifestyle life coach, your metabolic meal planner, your nightstand nutritionist, your daily dietitian, your sleep scientist, your workout whisperer, your holistic health handheld. Simply speaking, a sustainable solution to a healthier new you.
We spent the last 4 years validating Lumen's technology in clinical trials, universities, and top hospitals around the world. And we've been helping hundreds of beta users make a sustainable change in their lives.
I've been able to lose 15 pounds with Lumen, which is amazing. It's crazy. I use it like I use a scale these days.
There's this awe aspect of it. Like, how can this little thing, doesn't even weigh much, actually measure my metabolism just in my breath?
Within a day, I'm going to see Lumen's direct impact based off of what I've eaten.
Now we're excited to bring Lumen.
Introducing Aura Saifu, the first of its kind, all-in-one solution for your asset storage, transaction, and recovery. No more hassles from the outdated wallets. The Aura Saifu allows you safely store all your cards, cryptocurrencies, even the membership card from your local store in one place. Everything is organized and accessible at your fingertips. You can use the Aura Saifu to pay for everything. Store all your cryptos, unlock your door, even use it to exchange name cards, all with this simple but amazing hardware. Billions of dollars asset got hacked and stolen every year. You should worry about yours as well. Aura Saifu is the first hardware on Earth using both TEE and SE technology to ensure 100% security over your asset storage and payments. For cryptocurrency users, you can use Aura Saifu as a cold wallet. Unlike traditional cold wallet using USB port for data transfer, Aura Saifu uses NFC and dynamic QR code technology, which is totally off the grid. You can have full control of your crypto asset and make peer-to-peer transaction anywhere you want. Traditional credit cards and cryptos apps are still hackable when they got lost or stolen, but not with Aura Saifu. Aura Saifu Wallet will self-erase your key information after 5 passwords fail attempts. Your data will never be passed to the wrong hands. What about data recovery, you might ask? Introducing BPAL, the NFC-enabled backup chip for Aura Saifu. This one-tap recovery solution provides an effortless way to recover your data. For crypto users, the BPAL can also replace the mnemonic words in a more secure and reliable way. We believe a wallet should not only be functional, but also be artistic. The Aura Saifu has a 4-inch Retina Sapphire display with a screen-to-body ratio of 83.8%. It has gone through 45 steps of polish and multi-layer coating. The body is designed to fit for palm. We are a company formed by scientists and top developers specialized in payment security and digital asset security. We are 100% confident